Oh, nice.
We're just gonna have to do it in front of them. Yeah, just
Hey. Oh, Jesus, man.
Nah, fuck that, fam.
Let me go first.
Or is it fucked? I don't know, for me a little bit, yeah, but like...
You just gotta trust this bolt, bruv. It's all about trusting the bolt.
Yeah, that's fucked. Wait, you see this first one here? Did you put the left or right leg on it first?
Left, definitely left. Yeah, bro, because you need that right foot to be able to come down onto the bolt. That's it, that's it. And stay facing that way. That's it.
Yeah, but what do I do on my left leg?
You need to get that right foot lower down onto the second bolt. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Arse, bruv. I can't get my arse off the fucking roof, bruv.
Well done, bro.
This level was a beam, it's like boarding this thing.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's the same right there, bro.
Shit, man. I hate these fences.
Yeah, same.
Let's hurry up because when that road starts getting busy. Yeah, you see this.
Where is he, bro?
Across the road.
Oh, yeah. Wait, he's on his phone, though.
No, he ain't noticed us. Has he noticed us? Oh, yeah, he is.
You sure?
Yeah, he's calling him,
He's not. Look, he's got his hands down.
I should go up.
Oh, bro, how did you climb this? My chest.
You got it, man, you got it.
Yeah.
That's it.
He definitely didn't call anyone.
That's why when he was on the phone, I was like, oh, let's go, innit?
Yeah.
But then he just...
He put his phone in his
down,
pocket.
fucked off.
Put it in his pocket and just walked away.
Hey, let's get on. This is such a busy road, this is what I mean. Right, stopwatch is going now. Get it open, bro, get it open, hurry up.
4 seconds.
Come on.
I don't know, I'm just feeling it out at the moment. It's easier to go up the outside or the inside, I'm not really sure. Oh no, my laces. I have to just tuck them in. Look at the moon! Blessings, people. Right, I'm taking a piss off the jib. The moon is so perfectly placed with the angle of the jib. Shit, man. Time to go down, I reckon. Oh, I just keep seeing more buildings that look cool every time I'm like, time to go down. Oh shit. Fucking hell, that's blinding. There we go. That's just a big copy and paste job.
Bonjour.
Oh, go on.
How was that?
Sick, bro. Loved it.
You spent so long up there.
I know, bro. Slow but safe.
Yeah. No, I was in like at the top, innit?
Oh yeah, I was at the top for a decent amount of time.
Yeah.
Bro, honestly, I lose track of time when I'm up there, honestly.
Yeah. What lens do you have on?
I brought two, bruv, and I managed to not drop it the whole way down in my shorts with tiny pockets and no zips.
Fucking serious. Fuck,
Perfect. Nice.
There's a second there.
Oh shit, yeah, there is. But they're not for this site, bro. It's all good. Yeah, that's
okay.
nice. You're holding your body weight on the wood, yeah.
Fuck, that is actually so fucked. Do you want me to take your bag?
Yeah, maybe.
You got it, yeah, nice one.
Mate, the moon, I know I've said it a million times, but the moon does look sick. I love it when it's like a crescent like that.
Bro, it's perfectly in between the 110s.
I know, I'm gonna get a nice
Like
pic.
the lineups.
I'll get the zoom lens out.
Get all the lights of 110s on the steps. Beautiful, bro. That's like some architecture shots. I can see that on an architecture page.
Yeah. Come down a bit, get more of the building in.
110 is the poshest building, bro. For the longest time, I've wanted a zoom lens on this roof, yeah, and I want to get a photo of the shard with the buildings on each side, innit?
Got you, bro.
Like the shard right in between.
Got you. Is that what you're on about?
Oh yeah. Wait, can you get that but horizontal?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you have to send me that, bro. You have to send me that.